Good day, and welcome to Currencies Direct weekly podcast for Monday, the 30th of August. A week on, and the Rand's recovery appears to be in full swing. Following two rather volatile weeks of trading, the local unit closed last week near on 3% stronger against the US dollar. The return of risk-on sentiment, coupled with increased commodity prices, has resulted in emerging market currencies, and the Rand alike, the opportunity to recover lost ground after its recent break of 15 against the US dollar. The main highlight, though, was the Jackson Hole Symposium in the United States last week. Market attention was firmly focused on Fed Chair Jerome Powell as he took to the virtual podium on Friday. A more dovish than expected Powell saw investors in search of higher yields as he signaled that the pandemic-era Federal Reserve policy would be withdrawn cautiously and gradually. The Fed chair further stated the Fed will maintain a loose monetary policy with much ground to cover before interest rate hikes take place. The result of which saw the local unit continue its recovery to open the new week at 14.74 against the US dollar, with technical support at 14.72. The Rand would need to break this level in order to test the 1450 level. Easier said than done, with an influx of month-end data to contend with, which could drive profit-taking after last week's strong rally. Locally, trade balance for the month of July will be the highlight tomorrow. This follows last week's PPI inflation, which saw a slightly better reading of 7.1% versus the 7% expected year on year. Elsewhere, inflation figures from the world's largest economies will be out during the week, with the highlight being the US non-farm payrolls and unemployment change out this Friday. That's it for this week's edition. If you'd like to chat about any of your currency requirements, please get in touch with us on 021 418 0105 for Currencies Direct weekly podcast. My name is Justin Ludovic.